Hey, it's Frank Paul. I'm at the Rod Forge Rod Lab, and today I want to talk about power and action. These are two concepts that get messed up all the time because we as an industry make them difficult. So today I want to try to break them apart in a way that's helpful to rod builders and anglers. So if we talk about a blank or a rod, we know that it's flexible at the tip and it's pretty inflexible at the butt. Well, we call this changing stiffness flexural rigidity. It's an engineering concept that we can physically measure. And when we talk about power in a blank, what we're really talking about is the resistance to bending. We're talking about how much force is required at a specific spot on the blank to get it to bend. We have to use a lot of force at the butt, much less force at the tip. Now that's different than action. Action is a willingness to bend. And it's a discussion about, well, over the course of the blank, where does the blank want to bend? Power is about how much. Action is about where. Okay, why is this important? When we talk about lure weight and we talk about lifting ability and we talk about how much load can I put on a blank to cast a mass, a distance, that's a power conversation. When we talk about type of line or fishing technique or the type of movement that you want to impart on a particular lure, that's an action question. When we talk about a braid versus a monofilament, we want to talk about tip flex, that's an action question. So a great example is if I've got a flipping stick has a different action than a crankbait rod, but they may have the exact same power. Similarly, if I'm fishing fly rods, different types of fly rod techniques will result in different types of actions from the line weight that you want to use. Here at Rod Forge, we break all that data down. We give you very specific action numbers. We give you very specific power numbers. We can bracket those and say, well, those are generally called heavy. We can say those are generally called ultralight. But where this is important is it allows the rod builder to keep a particular power number constant while changing actions, or hold on to a specific action type while changing up the power. Hope this is helpful.